Hey guys, we got a good one here. We got a basement that's just over 1,100 square feet, and we have some low ceilings, a lot of challenges, but we got a lot in this space. It feels open, it feels big, inviting. We got this play area for the kids with this bench, all the storage of their toys, keeping things clean and neat. We put a dartboard in, but in this case we hid it for a lot of reasons. It really just looks nice and they don't use it all the time. This side of the basement is really interesting because they did not want to remove this column. They wanted a movie theater area here. So we had some low ducts here. We moved this duct right here over to the side. We opened this area up. We were able to hang the TV a little higher. It enabled us to put two built-ins, one on each side with hidden doors in this TV area. So it really lays out as a nice area. And as you swing around here, you're gonna notice that we have the half wall right here. So this setup is really interesting. What we did here, because we were tight with space, we created the back bar here, but instead of traditional having a front bar here or bar stools here and a bartender space that usually the bartender's not there, we didn't have the space for that. So we flipped that front bar around, put the chairs here facing the TV. So essentially it's better than a bar. And we utilize the space much better as well. So check out the other side of the basement. As we come through here, you're gonna see this area is open and it's really the kids' play area. We of course opened up the stairs on one side. On the other side we have a column and a theater, so we really couldn't do it there. We utilized the space under the stairs as we always do in this case. We created a play area. And we talk about this a lot, how this is really easy to convert to a closet in the future if you wanted to. Great office area right here. Once again, two hidden doors on either side of the office, which lays out really nicely. This office is interesting because when we met with the homeowners, they had plans for an addition on the house to build an office. And then when we came up with this idea and told them we could utilize the space in the basement and we could get all their wish list needs in the basement plus their office, they saved a crazy amount of money by not doing the addition. They were just telling me just a little while ago, the cost of the addition was more than double of what the entire basement cost, and they were only going to get an office out of it. So last but not least, we had a gym right here. Something interesting here, we had really low ceilings here with the ductwork, so we couldn't put a full-size door like this one here. So what we did was we went with custom glass doors here. As you enter in, you can see it's not some big elaborate gym, but it really gets the job done and it sets everything up. He's even got a pull-up bar in here, but the point is we're utilizing all the space. And you know, even if you have a smaller basement with lower ceilings, it can be finished and it could look beautiful just like this one.